Hello, everybody. It's good to have you here and welcome to my program. Today, I want to talk about greetings in Yoruba language. I want to try and teach if you're going to Africa and you need to greet people in the Yoruba language. I want to assist you to know the basic words to say so that initially your first steps are just going to be at least good. Then you can now build on that gradually. And also, if you have children that are not speaking good Yoruba, you want them to know how to greet and what to say when they greet. This is also going to help you. And maybe you grew up out of Nigeria. You need to go to Nigeria once in a while, or you need to go to Africa sometimes. You might just have this handy tips on what to say and how to say it in the Yoruba language, and you will not look like a total novice. So the first thing I'm going to say is that Yoruba greeting is in three ways, majorly. Yoruba máa ń kíyàn in ọ̀nà mẹ́ta. And ọ̀nà mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yìí, let me just say that it starts with the time. Based on the time, Yoruba máa ń kíyàn pé okay o, ẹ káàárọ̀. That is, if you are waking up in the morning and you're seeing somebody in the morning, that is like saying good morning. Good morning in Yoruba is ẹ káàárọ̀. For somebody that is older than you, you use ẹ káàárọ̀. But if somebody that is younger than you, you can just say káàárọ̀. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Káàárọ̀ or ẹ káàárọ̀. So good morning means ẹ káàárọ̀. And also, if it's in the afternoon, now you say ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán means good afternoon. And if it is somebody that is older than you, you can say ẹ káàsán. But if the person is younger than you, you can say káàsán. Also, if it is in the night, you can say good evening. Good evening means ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. Or if the person is younger than you, you also say káalẹ́. So now there's a time in between the afternoon and the evening and the night. So between that time, we call it ìrọ̀lẹ́. So you can also say ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, which is like saying good evening. So ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ means good evening. So you can also say good evening for ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, and you can also use good evening for if the time, as long as it is still evening, it is not yet night. You cannot say alẹ́. So if that is that, also they also greet based on the occasion. Maybe there's a special program happening. Maybe there's a new baby is born. They greet the mother and they greet the family that just delivered the baby. Ẹ kú ewu ọmọ. Ẹ kú ewu ọmọ means congratulations on the birth of the baby. Basically, it really actually means congratulations that the mother came safely out of delivery. Because we all know that having a baby is a lot of it's kind of scary. You go through a lot to have a baby. So they believe that it's like coming out of a victorious, a challenging event, that welcome out of that challenging experience of having a child. So, but it's just the way Yoruba is. It's ẹ kú ewu ọmọ and ẹ káalẹ́ and ẹ kú ewu ọmọ. So you can combine it. If it is in the night that you went to see them, you say ẹ káalẹ́ o. Eku ewu ọmọ. That means good evening, congratulations on the new baby. So also, if you have maybe you're having something good happen to you, something great happen to you, you can just say, oh, congratulations. That is English. But in Yoruba, they will say Eku oríire. Eku oríire. That means congratulations on, could be the housewarming, could be your promotion, could be anything good that comes your way. So it is still ẹ kú oríire, because they believe that it is because you have good luck that the good things are happening to you. So ẹ kú oríire means congratulations on the good thing that is really happening in your life. Also, sometimes they greet people based on the kind of work they do. It's not so common nowadays, but in the olden days, they used to greet people based on their actual vocation. Maybe you're walking past an hairdresser and you see them and you say, "Oh, hello, auntie, well done." That can also be, but the real word to say is oyaya. Oyaya means that they hope that the lines that you're cutting on the hair is straight, that the comb will cut the hair straight. So it's kind of funny, but that is just how they greet. And if a farmer is going to the farm, they say, "Oh, aroko bodun deo." That means, may you have a bountiful harvest. So also, if somebody is going for hunting, you're going to as an hunter, you're going to hunt, they tell you, "Oh, go well and may you catch a good prey." And in Yoruba language, that means arepao. Arepao. So they just keep wishing you well. It's kind of wishing you well, and at the end of the day, it's all in goodwill. They just want to make sure that you're happy, you are content, and that we wish you well. So that is just about it. So in case you're going to Nigeria, you see somebody, you say, "Oh," or you're going to Yoruba land, and you just see somebody, you say, you check the time and say, "Oh, ekaaro," if it is in the morning, ekasan if it is in the afternoon, ekaaleo if it is in the evening, and if it is in between evening and afternoon, it is eku irole, and then they will say, "Wow, you have done well." So there are some other greetings, but I would have those ones in the next video. So thanks for watching this one. Please subscribe, please like, please share if you enjoy our videos. And if you want to criticize, yes, feel free to criticize. You are free to tell us what you think. You are free to contribute and teach us too. We are all learning. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your evening.